This is a product review on New Balance shoes, inserts, and Dickies socks. I didn't know socks could make such a huge difference in walking and comfort, but these are absolutely wonderful. Dickies Sport Crew cushion socks. I'll put links below the video so you can check these out, the reviews and whatnot. This is AgX Presents Garden Products. What do shoes have to do with gardening? Comfort is everything. Working hard on your feet all day, walking around, you definitely want some decent shoes. These are New Balance. The model is MW928V3. Excellent shoes. This is my second pair. They last long. They have weatherproof exteriors. Inside, I replaced your usual flimsy pad, flimsy, with the Walk Hero cushion comfort support. Has some arch support. It is far better than the regular support that comes with it. Highly recommend. And the other one that I'm enjoying, I'll say the insert I'm enjoying even more is the Superfeet cushion. These are great. It's got this heel support and arch support, rigid cup support. Plantar fasciitis I had went away. Just fatigue, ankles, feet, knees, hips, lower back, all supported with this structure. Keeps the feet balanced. So this is the New Balance MW928BK3, also known as the 928V3 on the back. Lovely shoes, supportive, rigid, structurally wonderful for walking around on cement all day in New York City here and Brooklyn, getting around, carrying heavy things and just being on my feet all day. I notice at the end of the day I feel not my feet aren't bruised on the bottom. I've had shoes where my feet feel just bruised after the end of the day, but the socks are really what are making everything better. Can't recommend the Dickies socks enough. And again, description or product links in the description below the video. It's an affiliate link, so I do get a little bit of help for this channel from your support, but don't feel obligated to buy anything. I can't recommend it enough, but it doesn't cost you anything extra. It's just a little bit for the channel here, and I'll see you in future videos.